for taking off. Check this. Air Canada. It will, I think it is it's waiting for something. That's why it's just standing. You can check the sign of this Canadian flower leaf and CDJVB Canadian Flag Air Canada Express. Take a screenshot, capture this beautiful moment and share this with your friends, family, relatives, and subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon so you will get all my upcoming video notifications, and share this everywhere, spread it everywhere. Do comment. I will reply you. No worries. I will reply you. Just do comment, please. This is very beautiful moment here. The temperature is so lovely. The temperature is so awesome. It's beautiful weather here, 20 degrees, and this is really lovely. Cool breeze is blowing here. This is the runway of Aeroplanes at Ottawa International Airport, Canada. You can check Air Canada. It's Air Canadian Aeroplane. I think this is waiting for something, but it will move circular and then it take off. Just gone. Check it out. The voice is too high. This has just gone away and take off. Ready to take off. Getting ready for takeoff. Just check this moment. Air Canada Aeroplane. Slowly moving. It's slowly moving. Just take off. It's gone. It's I will show it to you when it comes towards the sky. It's just shown towards, just gone. It's just shown. It's moved towards the sky so high. It's take off. Check this beautiful moment. Capture this mere moment. It's take off. Gone away. It's gone away. It's gone. It's really lovely moment. It's gone away. Air Canada Aeroplane has gone away. It's takeoff and just in the air, so high in the sky. It's gone away. So high-fi. So guys, this is the end of my video. Till then, take care. I will meet in the next video, another place. So kindly subscribe this channel, like this video, and share this with your friends, family, and relatives. Keep me in your special prayers. Always keep smiling and do comment. I'll reply you and tell me where are you seeing this video. So thank you. Till then, take care. I will meet you in the next video. Stay tuned with me. Subscribe this. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.